So this just came in for review. Pretty excited about it. It's something different, it's a style of watch that I haven't really had on here very much. It's a G-SHOCK. Wristwatch check. Yeah, I'm wearing my G-SHOCK Atomic, which I have to, it's also solar. That's pretty cool. It's my one only G-SHOCK, but let's see this one now. So let's see what this G-SHOCK's all about. Very Spartan packaging. Ooh, it's got like a tin can. That's cool. Got the card, the customary G-SHOCK card and instructions, and a little foam pad there. Put this stuff in here. Fits nicely within the pentagon shaped little tin can. So let's see what we got here. Different color. Ooh. So this is the white CASIOAK. That is a really dark dial there. But yeah, it's good size. I mean, it's about as, maybe it's a little smaller than my G-SHOCK. I mean, it's striking. You can certainly see it from a distance there. It's very cool. Similar weight to my G-SHOCK. Similar band there, you can see. I'm kind of old school. I like my G-SHOCKs nice and black, and I like this iconic shape that this one has. I don't know. This is also nice though. If you wanted something a little different with a bit of an analog look to it. So see, you got like a digital analog combination here, which is pretty cool. So let's zoom in a little. So it looks like you have the days of the week on the left, little subdial there. You have the date, and you have your running seconds on the bottom here ticking away. And yeah. So if you look at each corner, each button has this that says light there. So I turn that on, that turns on the light. And it's kind of cool. You see like a little bit of light here on the bottom here as well, as it is also illuminating the digital part, the digital screen, I should say. I guess you can switch it on to the time there. I've never used this before, I'm just guessing. So you got mode. Oh yeah, nice. There's the stopwatch. So let's start. So you're getting the stopwatch there. Very cool. So I guess you stop like that and reset maybe? No, that's the light. How do you reset it? Maybe you hold it down. That starts it up again. Again, I haven't read the instructions. Maybe if I just go to the next thing. There's the timer, alarm. There's the time. That is another time. I guess that's another time zone. So yeah, stopwatch. How do you? Maybe it's this button to reset it. So you reset the stopwatch. I just figured it out. You reset it by hitting the adjust button up here. So yeah, so there was ticking a little bit, and there it's reset. So So there's the timer function again. Alarm, time, and this will just mirror the time that's displayed on the analog hands there, which is nice. I mean, you can have. I'd probably keep it. Honestly, I'd probably just keep it with the current time as well, because you do have that running seconds, or you can have the second time zone here. But yeah, this is really cool. I really dig the. I really like the analog aspect of it. Legibility, I mean, is a little different. It's I don't know. The legibility is not what I would say ideal. It's a good thing that the hands are super white, so that'll help with legibility. But the rest of the dial is kind of dark. But it's not too bad. I mean, if you like this like the contrast of the dial and the body. I mean, they do make one that's all white, I believe, which, you know, you may want to go for that one. But I think this is pretty cool, honestly. Nice resin band here. You know, I guess it's a plastic buckle. I do like mine has a metal buckle, and which is nice. But this is all plastic, but basically has all the functionalities of my G-SHOCK, except that it doesn't have the automatic syncing with the atomic clocks thing, but you know, this is pretty cool. So I just have this watch for review, so this one has to go back, but it was really, I just wanted to kind of see the height for myself and hold you know, the CASIOAK, I should say CASIOAK with my hand, you know, in my hands, and see what it's all about. I do think it's pretty cool. If you're looking for a cool like G-SHOCK that's you know, that combines both digital and analog elements, you know, it's obviously a quartz watch, like all other G-SHOCKs are, but and you have that iconic, you know, I guess you know, is it hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, octagonal. I guess you have that nice octagonal shape to it, which is kind of cool. You know, a lot of people call it the CASIO because it looks like the AP Royal Oak. You know, that's why they call it the CASIOAK. It resembles it, which is kind of cool. It's clever. I mean, I can see that. I can kind of see the shape, but it's definitely, it's a G-SHOCK through and through, and I think it's a really nice one at that. I really like the, you know, the analog hands. The analog date dial is a nice touch too. I think it really is cool. The light is nice and bright, making the digital section very legible and easy to read. So there does not appear to be any lume whatsoever on this thing. If you're looking for that, this is not your watch. If you want lume, everything's handled by the light. So the lume, the light, the little light button is the lume. There's no like lume throughout the dial. So very cool watch. 100% recommended if you're interested. I think this is like $100 even at retail. So it's a really good price. It would be really great if you can give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the watch, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll answer them as best as I can. And I'll see you in the next one.